Hello everyone, I'm Thayan Kulasekara and I'll be your guide through the intricate world of data science today. Join me on this journey into this depth of your data analysis. So I encapsulate my findings in a Jupyter notebook named HD1 IPY in my university task as my student number is BCS CX63119. So let's dive into the rich tapestry of YouTube sentiments in video titles and comments. So So as my main introduction as data cleaning and preparation. So as an introduction, embarking on our analytical odyssey, we delve into the pivotal realm of data cleaning and preparation, the linchpin of effective data analysis. This critical phase ensures the integrity and readability of our datasets, laying the foundation for meaningful insights. Our initial stage involves loading the raw data using Python libraries like pandas for manipulation and seaborne metapoly for visualization. As we traverse the landscape of data cleaning, the publish underscore at and duration columns of video data undergo transformation, ensuring compatibility and uniformity. Simulations, common data experiences a similar reframement, addressing date, time, conversations, and establishing temporal structures. So, confronting the challenge of missing sentiment values, our strategy ensures filling these gaps with neutral entities, fortifying the dataset completeness with data now meticulously coded, our data frames, encompassing videos, comments, and their merged counterpart and state posture regis analysis. So, this medical journey through data clean guarantees a robust and equitable foundation, setting the stage for profound insight into our chosen question. So, in this segment, we focus on the essential data cleaning and preparation steps to facilitate structured analysis of YouTube video and comment data. So the process involves importing necessary libraries, loading data, converting date columns, and refining the dataset and subsequent analysis. So as my in this task, so I needed to import following libraries, initial library using Cornerstone and these are my guidance. So as this task, so importing necessary libraries, that is the main part of this. So we start by importing essential libraries required for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. This is my full code. So I'm going to describe it. So we done that from importing our libraries and etc. So after that, for in this area, so this thing for import warnings. So in this area, I proceed to surface any warnings that might arise during the execution of the code for a cleaning output. So I done that from here, warning implement section, ignore warning, and so filtering warning. And this is the what I have done for that. So data cleaning part. So this is the main part. We are importing our old dataset from our video CSV. So after that, we can move on to the clean and prepare the data section. So in this area, data cleaning. So the subsequent section involves cleaning the loaded video and comment data sets. The video CSV and comment CSV files are read into pandas data frames for further processing. So after that process, we load the videos and comments data frames from their respective CSV files. So we done that from here. So after that, converting data columns. So as both parts, so we are going to we are on converting data columns. So data related columns such as publish at and comment date are converted to date time objects for more effective temporal analysis. Like convert the publish at column to a date time object for videos DF. So create a new column that contains the publish at weekly. So creating a new column that contains the publish at monthly. So creating a new column that contains the publish at monthly and converting the publish at column to a date time objective for comments DF. So as this convert duration and these are the So all of that areas. So after that, we have done converting. So duration conversion. So the duration column indicating video duration is converted from the PD format to seconds for standardized analysis. So we have done here. So we have done here in that area the duration column for seconds for video DF. So this is the main process of this area. So after that, prepare data frames. So the clean and prepare data frames, namely videos, comments, and video comments, are ready for subsequent data analysis tasks. So we have done here. This is the specific area for that. So prepare data frame objects and can be. So that's the main process of this area. So after that, we can move on to our main question. So in less than videos comments. So my question was, so what is the monthly distribution of the positive, negative, and neutral sentiments in the video titles and comments from January 2020 to January 2021? So use visualizations to answer this question to four different news publishers channels and discuss your observations. So I have done here from this. So as first less, so import necessary libraries from as after secondly load the data. So thirdly extract year and month from publish at and comment date columns. After fourthly applying the get sentiment function to the video titles to get sentiment. So after the sixthly applying the get sentiment function to the comments to get the sentiment. So defining the start and end date for data analysis. So after that, filter and date based on start and end dates. So calculate sentiment distribution for videos and comments. So after we can come to the main part of this code. So plotting data. The plotting data is visualization using bar plots. Illustrate the monthly distribution of sentiments in video titles and comments. So we have done that part from here. And so this is the output we like. So this is the monthly sentiments in video titles, and this is the output as our task. And after that, we can move on to the monthly sentiments in comments, and we got this the chart like this. Uh, as my observations of this task. So the sentiment distribution in video titles on monthly basis reveals a significant rises in positive sentiments during specific months, particularly in the middle of 2020. So this search in positively may be attributed to certain events or topics that gained popularity and gained positive reactions during the time period. So as my second observation, so within the comment section, there is a consistent presence of neutral sentiments across the observed months. This indicates that a considerable portion of the audience tends to express their opinions or observations in a neutral manner. So without leaning towards either positive or negative sentiments, this consist neutrality could be influenced by the nature of the content for the engagement style of the audience. So I got this chart. This is my final output from my question. So this course segment concludes by providing an insightful visual representation of sentiment trends across different news publishers, offering an understanding of audience reactions in the specific time frame. So I done that from here. So after that, I am also faced for some challenges as my part four. So our data analysis journey encountered notable challenge handling missing values and outliers in the real world data. Missing values and outliers are common and they can significantly impact to our data analysis. In our case, some videos had missing values affecting the accuracy of our sentiment analysis. So how did you overcome these challenges? So I can explain that from here. So this is the main areas, video dates and comments data and handling missing values in video titles. So the sentiment values for video titles, title sentiment, are filled with neutral for echoes where sentiment information is missing. So after that, comments data area. So similarly, the sentiment values for comment sentiment in this area are filled with neutral for records with missing sentiment information. So Actually, so Actually, the challenge arose from encountering videos with missing sentiment values. These missing values could have skewed our sentiment analysis results, affecting the overall accuracy and readability of our findings. So that will be the main problem actually. So how did I overcome that? So I actually overcome that is by to mitigate the impact of missing values on our sentiment analysis. I adapted the paradigmic approach. So we filled with missing sentiment values with neutral, acknowledging that this conservative choice would minimize any potential distortion introduced by the absence of sentiment information. So this decision ensures a more robust and unbiased sentiment analysis, so allowing me to draw meaningful insights from the available data. So actually, I done that for my qualifications. So after that, finally, as a conclusion, in conclusion, my exploration of YouTube video data has revealed intuition patterns in sentiments expressed through video titles and comments. This analysis serves as a valuable lens into the evolving landscape of audience reactions over time, shedding light into trends and preferences. Navigating challenges, particularly addressing missing values and outliers, has added a layer of complexity to our analytical process, emphasizing the importance of adaptability and resilience in the dynamic field of data science. So, the meticulous data cleaning and preparation phase form the bedrock of our analysis, ensuring the reliability and accuracy of our insights by handling missing values and outliers with precision. So, I safeguard the integrity of our incentive analysis, enhancing the overall robustness of our findings. This journey highlights not only the technical prowess involved but also critical thinking and problem solving skills required to extract meaningful insights from real world data. So, I appreciate your engagement in the analytical expectation, and together we dive into the initial realm of data science, uncovering valuable narratives within YouTube video data. So, I hope you satisfied. Thank you so much.